दोस्तों हम पढ़ेंगे 10 birds name. Pigeon. Pigeon means कबूतर. Parrot. Parrot means तोता. Sparrow. Sparrow means गौरैया. Crow means कौवा. Eagle means चील. Peacock means मोर. Owl means उल्लू. Duck means बत्तख. Ostrich means शुतुरमुर्ग. Flamingo means राजहंस. Thank you. तो दोस्तों आज हम पढ़ेंगे 10 animals name. Monkey means बंदर. Kangaroo means kangaroo. Fox means लोमड़ी. Donkey means गधा. Bear means भालू. Lion means शेर. Giraffe means giraffe. Elephant means हाथी. Horse means घोड़ा. Deer means हिरन. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.